We'll guide you through how to export your Gmail emails quickly and easily. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser on your computer and go to Google Takeout, which is Google's service for exporting your data. Once you're there, you'll see a list of Google products. Scroll down until you find Mail, and make sure the checkbox next to it is checked. You might notice that all products are selected by default, so you need to click on Deselect All first if you only want emails. After selecting Mail, click on the All Mail Data Included button. Here you can choose specific labels or folders if you don't want to export everything. Once you've made your selections, click OK to go back to the main list. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Next Step. Now, you'll be asked to customize your export settings. You can choose the delivery method, such as receiving a download link via email, or adding the archive directly to cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox. You can also select the frequency of the export, either as a one-time archive or scheduled exports every 2 months for a year. For the file type, you can choose between .zip or .tgz. The .zip format is most common and is compatible with most systems. For the size, you can select the maximum size of each archive, with 2 GB being a good standard option. After setting your preferences, click on Create Export. Google will start preparing your emails, which may take some time depending on how many emails you have. Once ready, you'll receive a notification and can download the files. Remember to keep your exported data secure, especially if it contains sensitive information. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.